not had pedicure for some months. So she immediately I started packing. When I started my content creation journey, I always dreamt of attending events where I could connect with other creators, promote brands, and show all the behind the scenes of my influencing career. And guess what? That dream is slowly becoming a reality. My first paid event was with Darling Nigeria. I was so excited. It felt like the beginning of something new I always prayed for. Then I waited for another opportunity. This time, it was Skin 101 Clinic and grand opening here in Port Harcourt. As a newly married woman, I was ready, so ready for this one. I had my outfit and my hair I haven't worn before. Everything was set. But few days to the event, I felt sick. Fever and blisters on my lips. Every morning I could wake up, look in the mirror. God, why now? I almost cancelled the event. I went to Serena and her husband. The energy at the venue was everything. Skin 101. One was officially opening their Port Harcourt branch and invited us, the city's content creator. The day was filled with laughter, joy, connection, and lots of learning. We were introduced to a range of products, treatment for every skin type and skin condition, whether hyperpigmentation, acne, or sensitive skin. It was eye opening. And the best part, they gave us our own discount code. So if you visit one, you can get 20% off products or treatments using the code RAYSTAR. Oh, I didn't mention the food was everything. Did I also mention that I met a whole lot of Port Harcourt content creators? I met Chantel Ayanwu, Soti Mama, our own Port Harcourt influencer, Annie Tushi, Soft Life Annie. Yeah, there were a whole lot of them. Diana Ekweme, all our Port Harcourt faves were there. It was an evening filled of love. Like, I went home that day feeling fulfilled, relaxed, and so happy that I didn't let my setbacks stop me. Skin one grand opening was more than just an event. It was a reminder that I'm truly on the path I prayed for. Whew. It was a fun day, right? If you enjoy coming along with me, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more behind the scenes of my content creation journey. Let me allow you enjoy the rest of the vlog. See ya. boasting in this video because this client didn't stress me at all. Immediately after service, just dropping my bag, I've not even changed up. I got an order and the person needed it delivered immediately. And this was 6 glasses. I was like, yes, we can deliver it. It was on a Sunday and the location wasn't too far from my place. Immediately, I started packing. I was like, oh, let me record this. I have to record. And while I was packing, while I was putting the pouch and the wipes together, I was busy dancing. You know why? Because the client didn't stress me at all. Some clients that you will send thousands of pictures to and at the end they will not buy from you. That stuff can pain someone, but this one did not do that at all. The person just asked for glasses. I sent samples and the person picked 6 of the glasses, and that was how it went. I was done packing. I had to send it across and she was satisfied. Like, you need to see her reviews. I can't wait to post it. When are you getting glasses from us? Sunglasses, anti-blue ray blocking glasses, or it's available at the store. Contact us today. Black fingers on the beat. Come with me to Favy's Glam to get my pedicure done. So it was my first time coming to her shop. She was excited and I have to hug her. Then she started by putting the stuff inside the water so I could actually get a proper massage. It was really cool. You see this section? I don't want to even remove my leg from here. It was so relaxing and something I really needed after a whole stressful day. Then she started by applying some. This thing wasn't that smooth, just that I loved it, but at some point it was tickling me. I started laughing. Then she also did that for the second nails and started scraping off some dirt because I've not had pedicure for some months. So she took her time and filed it. Then this massage was something I really needed. It was so sweet. So she concluded by applying my signature white polish. If you know me very well, I'm known for this, and I didn't even get a proper video of it. All right, let us stop here. See you next time. Bye. Then I'll put this in my bag. So in my bag I have my battery charger, my sunscreen, and my this is my work bag, and I have my lights and my tripod. I'm going to show you all that. It's time for us to go to work. Bye.
basically what we are doing today, we are going to work on the exterior and on some parts of the interior of the house. I'm going to take you around. I'm going to show you what we are going to change and what we are going to